again back.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the long-term gifts which are pending, which we really wanted to give you. So now we have got the gifts, and you can see all the love and the gifts which fans have sent to you.
So it's been a quarter now. We can say a quarter. November was our birthday. So December, January, and February. So it's been more than a quarter now. Good, yeah. Fans, thank you so much, and apologies for keeping you waiting for that long.
Yeah.
That's what I would say. कि इतना time हो गया कि अब तक आपने gifts ही नहीं खोले. Actually, from their side, and a good. I would say it's not self-praise, but just a recognition fact that you guys need to know. So whoever has sent me stuff,
they're all here.
I've ordered for labels at a जहाँ पे वो बनती है ना brass plates बनती हैं. So I'm putting all of yours name on the things that are here, so that anybody who walks in can know that who has sent what to me.
And you have
So
quite
thank
a
you so
few
much.
gifts.
Yeah.
I can only see gifts everywhere.
So yeah, thank you so much for that. Namita, please start.
Please do.
This pizza is given by Maria and Solu.
Hey, Bhagwan.
Maria, what is wrong? Why did you give a pizza?
I'm glad, Maria, that you give so much of love to Namita. तो वो मेरे पे भी थोड़ा rub off हो
We are
जाता है.
friends on social
Whatever, that's
media
what I'm saying
platforms.
कि आप और मारिया का प्यार इतना है कि मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत उसका.
हिस्सा. I'm going to
Shall I
steal
be a
these.
bukhan? Oh!
Is it your favorite?
Yeah!
Slow clap.
My God. So did you order it or did she specify?
Maria must have known that that's his favorite because you had mentioned in one of our compatibility
Have I?
test game.
Oh my
You
God!
remember? I said something
Marry me,
favorite.
please.
Oh
I love
my
you.
God! Yeah, I really love pizzas, though I'm off junk
God,
food,
guys,
but
thank you. This is so. यार मैं इतना मुंह हो जाता हूँ ना ऐसी बातों पे, मतलब थोड़ा
I'm
इमोशनल
gonna
टाइप का
steal
इंसान
this.
हूँ.
I'm gonna. I was going to.
हाँ, ये थैली ले जाएगी घर में और बाकी सारी थैलियाँ इसमें डाल के रखेगी.
ये है मेरे काम.
Alright,
This
so
is
you wanna have a
amazing,
bite?
yeah. हाँ, I will.
So shall we have a bite?
नहीं.
Maria will be very happy.
Alright, so I'll go for a bite.
You have the bite. I think this is exclusively for you.
No, that definitely
No,
not
it's
exclusive.
पहले you.
Of course, पहले you.
पहले you.
मेरा प्यार नहीं
नहीं,
जानती
नहीं,
तू.
नहीं.
एक छोटा बाइट.
एक पहले.
यार उनके पिज्जा के साथ ऐसे करेगी. चल
नहीं
दोनों
करेगी.
खाते हैं. एक तरफ से तू खा, एक तरफ से
नहीं
मैं खा.
पागल. तुम खाओ. I'm gonna have the jalapenos. Yeah, it's quite yum.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. You're not putting the oregano and everything which you like putting.
There's so much of love in it. One bite, one last bite, promise. Hey, don't cheat.
Okay.
Devanshi.
Okay, she sent it to you.
Alright,
Yeah,
Delhi.
so from Devanshi.
Devanshi.
So Namita
Dihanu.
and Priyanshu Jora both. Chal. Open.
This is the gift. Would be-
This is it.
Okay. Sent with love to Namita and Priyansh. Wow. Priyansh, I
So
can't.
much of love. Don't mind me, guys. This is your love. That's why I'm eating.
And that's it.
नहीं खाता तो शायद मुझे भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. इसलिए कह रहा हूँ ये खा. थोड़ी एनर्जी आएगी. Maybe you don't cut it like that. Exactly, don't cut it like that. So there's a lot of handmade love.
Have we interacted with you, Devanshi? I don't think so. On Twitter,
A small request. I really like the title track of BBKD, which starts like this. O Banjari Hawa.
Oh yeah, not
How
many
do you
people
know this? How
song.
do you know this? Wow. So I searched it a lot but wasn't able to find it. Please share this song if you have
To the world,
to your fans.
via Twitter or Insta.
I'm gonna do it right away.
And this song was by Jasleen. This song was
Jasleen
by
and
Jasleen,
someone else as well. No, there was another guy also.
Gajju, I think. Okay, I have commented on your tweets, but you both never replied. That's why I thought I've never.
So
ever
sorry,
replied.
yaar.
Sorry, my Twitter ID is Devanshi1310. I'll take care of that. Please tweet a pic of my gifts at. Okay, we'll do that right away. Tweet a picture of your gifts. Please do read all my letters. They're all filled with immense love which needs to be conveyed to you both, and they are totally handmade.
Thank you so much, Devanshi, for the handmade love that is here. That's for me, that's for you.
Wow, so pretty.
Open when you have, explore the gifts. Okay, so let's explore
Should
the
we
gifts.
open this?
A little note
to Priyanshu
Wow,
Jora.
this is so pretty, yeah.
And a little note to Nabata. Wow! This you need to keep with a lot of.
Okay, that's Devanshi, guys. If you don't know, that's Devanshi, and that's a elaborate letter that.
It smells of love and Fevicol.
Thank you so much. And
So sweet, and she's written it all by herself,
yes.
and she's posted a picture of us out here.
I miss you.
Very
BB
sweet this
Kudi.
is.
So this is for BBKD.
It's so sad how you were such a big part of my life and now you're just gone. No, we're not gone anywhere. We'll come back. And most of the other people in the cast are already back.
I can't keep the lid on my love for you.
Wow, you write pretty well, yeah. I'm going to read this letter, I
It's
think,
very sweet.
in private.
So that's for both of us. Yeah, letters we'll read later. I think we need to open this.
Okay.
Wait.
Wow, there's some really cute handmade thing inside.
I love you no matter what I do.
Oh, these are matchboxes.
Yeah, and again they are handmade. Sorry. Here you go.
Well, there's one
Yeah?
more for me.
If I pull it out, I love you this much. No matter whatever I do.
So
my little brain
sweet.
is full of you. That's lovely. Yeah.
It is awesome.
It's really nice and sweet.
Mine says, "Are you a camera? Because every time I look at you, I smile."
Sweet.
This is creativity at another level. If you were in my school, you would have won all the creative
Yeah.
skills
Seriously?
competition. I love you to the moon and back. This is very detailed and fine work. It's like
Yeah.
I assume it's on a matchbox or something.
Yeah,
no?
yeah, it is.
It's amazing.
Lovely,
It's
nicely
amazing.
done, yeah, Devanshi. Thank you. And let's
Thank
open
you.
this that she asked us to open once you've explored the gifts.
This and
Okay, so can I request you both something? Okay, so there's a gift and then there's a request. So smart. Please, can you both click a selfie together and post it on Twitter? At least I'll get to know that you both have really
We'll do
received
that
my cards.
after this
Please, it's a
segment.
request.
So we'll post a selfie with,
With
your
these cards.
Yeah, and your gifts.
Let's click one right now so that we can do it. Yeah, we don't forget.
Yeah.
Aja.
Actually, we always forget.
Yeah,
We
Aja.
don't take pictures only, actually. Come to think of it. Where's your phone? You've got a new phone cover.
Yeah. So you didn't finish that? Isn't it too much of your
Dieting.
dieting?
Were you tweeting only right away?
Straight, right away. Tweeting.
More power to you, Devanshi. Look at the kind of spontaneity we have. इतना बड़ा letter है, मुझे letter भी पढ़ना है. God bless you both.
All
You're
right,
the best.
there you go. These are the gifts. My gifts are here. All right.
This reminds me of the selfie we took when we were going to Lucknow.
We can get a better selfie.
Yeah.
Really.
हिल गई है बेटा हमेशा you take selfies which are always हिला हुआ अजीजा नहीं लगी इसमें
सब बोलते हैं तो लगती है. ये ठीक है.
yes
We are going with this. All right. So I tweet this to, what was the handle?
Devanshi 1310 if I'm not wrong it was Devanshi 1310 where is the little note yes Devanshi 1310
Is it right?
yo
Huh?
yes oh sweet
Tweeted. Done.
perfecto
All right. Moving on.
Thanks.
So I'll read these later.
Yeah.
And these are for you, of course. चलो ये सारे एक साथ ही रखते हैं.
Oh, are these diaries? So there are two things which are here. Let me see. Hey, it's a photo frame with our pictures.
Nice.
Oh, these are not those. These pictures are not the pictures which are found everywhere very easily because these were on our Instagram very privately. We had put some stories, not privately. I meant These were on our stories or something.
Both are same.
Both are same. ये इसके लिए भी brass
So
plate लानी
Maria,
पड़ेगी.
of course, I've ordered like जो भी था अभी उसमें एक और ऐड करवा दूंगा मैं. No, but there's Maria की एक already है शायद. But
Maria has sent so many.
वहाँ पे रख दो ना ये please. There it goes. Right now. बुक के ऊपर नहीं रखा जाएगा, साइड में रखा जाएगा, but it's okay. साइड में रख सकते हो तुम.
Wow, these pictures are amazing. This is from my Instagram story which I had put with my on-screen sister Palak. I mean, on-screen sister Ria, her real name was Palak. This was one of the craziest things we did on this. Not show.
Project.
This
Day.
day was amazing. We were really tested as actors to perform to the best of our abilities, and we actually performed. This is
So
the
this is a
segment.
letter by Maria. Happy birthday, one more surprise, some hard work, loads of love always. I really hope you like those. Basically tried to make a small Insta Snap journey frame during
These were our Insta stories, and she has taken screenshots of that.
Smart. So smart you are. Please go ahead. We've had such similar letter from Maria. No?
Happy birthday, awesome twosome. So this is our very post-dated birthday letter. Okay, so we are very sorry that we are reading it 2 months later. Okay, happy birthday on this special day. I wish you all the very best, all the joy. May you be blessed. Hope you two enjoyed or are enjoying your break after BBKD. We are still enjoying it. A well-deserved one. No, we are working. So it's basically your first birthday with Abhira's fan, Namita's first with the media, yeah, and your first birthday together. So I had to make it special. I made. What?
This is when you pour some hot water, and I think there's something like
Yeah.
that's written in the last line of the letter.
But I can see something, Meechana.
Pour hot water into the mugs, and you will see the result on camera if possible. So we have to pour. I think it's one of those. I am assuming
Yeah,
that.
I can see.
Oh,
That's so lovely, yeah. That's for me, I guess.
that I can
That's
see.
for me, and
Magic mug. I never had one of these.
lovely.
You should
So I
actually.
have my first one. So there's an entire
This is my first
section of first to what?
first magic mug that anybody has ever given me. This is a letter, by the way, and this has again one of our pictures where we are shaking hands after the.
I'm opening this mug for you, huh, Dubey?
Yes, please open.
There you go, Miss Dubey. I suppose this should be for you. No, both are the same. Both are same. So one for you, one for me.
Okay, what does it have?
It says something. Be somebody nobody thought you could be.
मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है.
वो गर्म पानी डालोगे ना उसमें तब दिखेगा. So this goes to that section of mugs that I have. But we can start. No, we can say that ऐसा होगा.
Let's start.
Alright, so there's a picture of you here. Yeah. There's a picture of Namita here.
Yes, this is
We-
at Marine Drive.
Be the best version of you. And there's a picture of me here. It says, be somebody nobody thought you could be. So भी जैसे जैसे ऊपर वो उसको heat आएगी, it will change its color. So there are 2 of these. ये ऐसे से ऐसा हो जाता है. Before and after. So yeah. Thank you for this again, Maria, and
This is very, very creative.
thank you so much.
Maria was like telling me that you need hot water, and I thought कौन सा science experiment होगा, but now it all makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, happening? Alright, so it will happen.
Good.
Thank you, guys. It's lovely and it's magical. Guys, what should I say? Yeah, like these things, what you always do, what I always say. Like we can't do anything to, compensate for this or pay you back the love that you guys shower on us. What do? We just work and we think that we can make you happy and make some difference to your lives and in our lives. But what you guys do, it's so selfless and it's really touching, it's really heartwarming. Yeah. So thank you for this selfless love, for this
Gesture.
gesture,
Every
these
time,
sweet
yeah.
things
I have
that
to
you
sit up-
always
I
do.
have to find new words to convey what I feel because I think what I have been repeating, it's just becoming too repetitive.
Imagine it's coming from a person who has done English honors. So मेरे जैसों का गरीबों का क्या हाल होता होगा. So really, thanks a lot यार.
नहीं मतलब जो भी हम लोग को गिफ्ट्स और जो भी मैसेजेस और ट्वीट्स और whatever we get, I try and read each one of those, and all these gifts and all are like another level of appreciation actually, because they're all mostly handwritten and the
Yeah,
kind of thought
that's
that
very
is put
special,
into
yeah.
it. And we have got these gifts way after our birthdays, so again it's a very
Like
special.
अब तो 2017 वाला आने वाला है.
हाँ.
But yeah, seriously, thanks for this. Thanks for like, we are nobody to just say that wow, you know, everything whatever you've sent is really lovely. Thanks for just loving us this way, and we love you all back. We love you guys a
Twice.
lot. And when we'll be coming next is right here. We are on your screens right now. You are looking at us. We are talking to you. I think it's even more lovely.
And I want to say one thing. See, a lot of hard work goes behind the scenes, which everybody is not aware of.
Yeah.
As actors, you want to see people do stuff.
Yeah.
But that
before doing that
before
stuff, there's
that
something.
materializes, there are a lot of things which go into even our project. Bade Bhaiya Ki Dulhaniya was. It took 5-6 months for it to actually get on the floors and start rolling, because the pre-production took time.
Yeah.
So all these things, take time. Obviously there will be things here and there everywhere, but bigger projects, they take a lot of time. So hopefully everybody will be patient and nobody will be like, oh
No, they are patient completely, and they are.
Yes, so that's
it's
what
it's
I'm
your love
hoping.
that wants us, that's forcing you guys to, that you need to see us on screen and all of that. And we'll make sure that we keep updating our social media platforms so that you are updated with wherever we are. So yeah, that's it. Stay happy. Thank you for the love. Happy birthday to you all, whoever is having their birthdays in the coming months, and wish you all the best.
Wish you guys all the best, and thank you for everything, each and every gift, each and every word that has been put across to us.